Now, if you want to know how to manifest more magic in 2024, then you need to know about my 5 secret hacks that I learned after 13 years of coaching. So stay tuned. Hi, I'm Natalie Ledwell and welcome to my channel. Now, if this is your first time here, please make sure that you hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. Now, as we step into a new year, we are presented with a blank canvas of possibilities, a chance to create the life that we desire, and there's no better time than to start right now. Now, as a lifelong learner and coach, I've developed a few practices that are very practical and have allowed me to enjoy a more productive year filled with abundance and happiness and success. So here are 5 that I hope will help you to manifest a magical 2024. Do more of what you love. Now, one of the things that I do every year is to jot down all of the things that bring me joy, everything that makes me happy. Teaching, connecting with my intuition, and sharing with some of the things that I absolutely love. So I suggest making a list of all the things that you love and reflecting on whether you're currently incorporating them into your life. Now, if you're not, commit to introducing at least one of those things into your life. Starting with one can be a less overwhelming if there's a lot on your list that you haven't, incorporated just yet. Next one is make time for self-reflection. Sometimes life gets so busy that we forget to make space for these things. That's when meditation comes in handy for me. It's a moment to clear my mind of the to-do lists, to stop thinking about past experiences and future plans and really allow me to embrace the present moment of what's happening in this moment right now. During my meditation, I often ask myself questions like, what is my truth? Or how can I connect to my truth? What's the first step I need to take to support myself? Really, you can ask any question that you want. The world is your oyster. Now, meditation holds this incredible magic for me. And when I make the time for it and visualize my desires, it feels like doors start to open and opportunities start to appear and clarity starts to emerge. Just like magic. Next one is turn your challenges into opportunities. Now, 2023 was a bit of a roller coaster, don't you think? And it seems like we were all in the same boat. Not to mention inflation was rising and the prices of everything is being so expensive. Seriously, every time I buy something now, I'm just outraged at the price, but it seems to be across the board. But even when we feel like life is challenging or chaotic, it's really important to take this opportunity to grow and evolve. Now, change is one thing that is always constant, so make sure that you're ready to embrace it. Next one is to raise your vibration. As we step into 2024, I believe that raising our vibration is crucial. Now, this involves honoring ourselves, honoring our intuition, and honoring what's good for us and recognizing what that is. It's like the oxygen mask analogy, where we must put ourselves first and put our mask on first before we can start helping others. Teaching ourselves self-care allows us to better care for others in various capacities. So to raise your vibration, create a list of the 3 things that bring you joy and energy. Well, you can create a big list, but write down the top 3. Now, commit to incorporating at least one of these into your life every single week. It's essential to understand what truly lights you up and what brings you joy. Designing your time to include those moments can significantly impact your year. Now, I've also been visualizing every day, and this instantly helps me to raise my vibration. It's been a powerful daily practice that's led to significant shifts in my life. And then last but not least is to set clear intentions. Some examples of this could be, this month I bring balance and space into my schedule to create time for the people and the passions that matter to me most. Or something like, this month I will let go by trusting that my biggest desire will manifest in divine timing. Or it could be something like, this month I will set healthy boundaries that allow me to feel safe, loved, and respected. Now remember, without a sense of where you're going and why, it's all too easy to just blow off your goals, or even worse, to end up somewhere where you never intended to be in the first place. So creating intentions helps you to clarify what's most important, and it fixes your mind on who you actually want to be. So begin by setting clear and specific intentions for the year. What do you want to achieve, or what do you want to experience in 2024? Well, whatever it is you want to manifest this year, I have a gift for you that's going to enhance the most important areas of your life. It's a premium pack of 6 pre-made mind movies on courage and confidence, wealth and abundance, friends and relationships, finding inner peace, loving and appreciating yourself, and vibrant health. Now, all you need to do is just watch them for 3 minutes a day and let their soothing visuals and music help you manifest what you want most in your life. So go to the comments box below and you can download them now completely free.